In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to clean your fabric car seats. First things first, spray your car seat liberally with your cleaning mixture. This is just a DIY upholstery cleaner. Spray it liberally. Next thing you do is agitate and rub it in with a little nylon brush here. Now what we need to do is rinse and extract with an extractor machine. The way I rinse is I squeeze this little trigger here and it will spray clean, fresh water right here on the seat. Right like that. And then extract. You can see those dirty, nasty, grimy suds right there as the dirt is being extracted from the seat. The DIY upholstery cleaner I'm using for this job, upholstery cleaner, it is 1 cup alcohol, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon of dish soap. That's what I'm using. The extractor machine I'm using for this video is the Hoover Clean Slate right here. As you can see, it's electric. Here's your cord, and here's the extractor part. This is the trigger you pull for the water to come out. This is your reservoir where you just put fresh water, and then here is the nasty stuff. I brought this in here for the pour, just for satisfaction purposes. See? Ew, that's great. Here's what we've gotten done so far to the car seat. And I also want to say that if you clean this, you wash it, rinse it with your extractor machine, and then it dries and a day later and it appears dirty, some of the dirt is coming back to the surface. That's because you have dirt and soil embedded deep down in the seat, and when it dries, it's called wicking, and that dirt comes back up to the surface of your seat and it appears to be dirty. Here's how you can solve that issue. As it's drying, as soon as you're finished flushing and extracting this seat, take you a towel, cover the seat with a towel, kind of press on it a little bit, and what will happen is instead of that dirt coming up to the surface of the fabric of the car seat, it will come up into the towel, and after it's dry, you'll notice your dirt will be on your towel. So you remove it and you have a clean car seat. So I put the camera down, did it a little bit better for you. But as you see, you just put this towel on the seat, leave it there for 24 hours or until the seat is completely dry, and if there's any wicking that happens, all that dirt will come up into the towel rather than onto your car seat. Before I close this video out, shout out to Brandon from Clean That Up. I learned that wicking trick from him, and it is a doozy. And that, my friends, is how to clean your fabric car seats.